I'd like to thank Axminster Tools for sending me this bottle of Titebond original glue to try. We did a great deal. I sent them money and they sent me this. So this is unbiased and unsponsored. I wouldn't ever want anyone to think that this is a biased channel and that I can be bought in any kind of way. Although it is quite cold in here today. I think maybe we should make this coffee a little bit Irish. So here we go, the Christmas Day argument. What is the best wood glue? Over here, sporting this lovely red bottle, we have some Titebond original, some PU polyurethane, some good old-fashioned 502 general purpose PVA, and as a bit of an outsider, got some hot glue. Let's see what's the best glue. Final, ultimate, perfect test. Got some little offcuts, all the same. I'm going to glue all these together and then do a strength test on each one. There we go, that's right. So let's kick off with a bit of 502 wood adhesive. It's PVA. PVA is PVA, and that's what I've got in my glue bot. Long grain to long grain, unfinished to unfinished. A bit of dab of that on there. Next up, bit of Titebond. Yep. That is Titebond. Bit of polyurethane. Really don't want to get this on your fingers, especially if you're not wearing gloves. It does help if one of your surfaces for PU is damp. So I'm just going to dunk this in the rain. That's now wet. That is polyurethane. And now for the outsider. Bit of hot glue. Is that even in focus? Hard to say. Hot. 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 Right. We'll let all this set up. Be back with you. PU. Yes, that's stuck together. Titebond. That is also stuck together. PVA. Yes, that's stuck. Hot glue. Yes. So really, use whichever one you want really. They all stick good together. Happy Christmas.